feel more in control of every SMSF fund you manage. With the integration between Class and Cloudoffis, you can automate your work papers, submit audits in just one click, track your audit jobs with the Audit Console. Watch on for a full demo of how to get started in Class and all the features that Cloudoffis offers Class customers. Access the Audit Console. Let's get started. Log into your Class portal and select Business. From the Class homepage, locate and click on the Grid menu. Now, select Cloudoffis. This will redirect you to the Audit Console page where all your funds are neatly organised. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of funds, including their fund name, fund code, ABN, number of documents, audit submitted status, submitted date, audit stage, number of open and total queries, name of assigned auditor, and action column. You can easily change business and year from the drop-down menus. Manage funds to be submitted. If you want to focus on funds that are yet to be submitted to the auditor, click on To be submitted. This will filter the list accordingly. You can also sort the data by clicking on the sorting arrow. From here, you can take action by clicking on the three-dot icon, where you can submit to the auditor, view DMS, or upload documents. View submitted funds. To view funds that have already been submitted to auditors, simply click on Submitted to Auditor. Here, you'll be able to track the audit stage. There are mainly 5 stages of audit: submitted, audit in progress, on hold, finalised, and completed. From here, you can also resubmit the fund, view DMS, or upload documents. Open queries. You can check for open queries by clicking on the Open Queries column. It will display the list of funds with the number of open and total queries for each fund. Connect with an auditor. To connect with your auditors, click on the Manage Auditor tab and select Connect Auditor. Fill in your firm details, and this is a one-time setup. Afterward, these details will be auto-filled. Now, enter the auditor's details and hit Connect. The auditor will receive an email notification and you will establish a successful connection with your auditor. Upload and tag documents. Once connected with your auditors, you can start uploading and tagging documents. Use the Upload Documents button either from the Audit Console or the DMS page. You can also upload documents from Trial Balance documents if needed. You can upload documents from your local drive or simply drag and drop them. The uploaded documents will undergo OCR processing and their status will be displayed as successful or failed at the top. When successful, the documents will be available in the unsorted folder. If you have already uploaded the document in Class, you can upload the document from Class into Cloudoffis instead of uploading it again from your local drive. Tag documents to line items. After a successful upload, head back to the dashboard or Class homepage and click on Reports and then select Trial Balance. Locate and click the search icon next to line items and amounts. All relevant documents will display on the left side with the highlighted searched item name. You can tag documents to specific line items for reference by clicking on the bookmark icon from the top taskbar. You can also highlight the text if required and add comment to the document by clicking on the comment icon. The paperclip icon will indicate that the document has been tagged to that line item. Clicking on that paperclip icon will also open the document. Generating work papers and view referenced work papers. From the dashboard in the Work Papers section, click on Generate Work Papers. Once done, you will be able to see View Referenced Work Papers options. Click on it to open the fund details, trial balance, tag documents and folders. You can click on the documents from here to open them. After this, if you have made any new changes in the fund, or if any new documents have been tagged throughout the process, you will have to click on the Regenerate Work Papers to make the new changes available. Respond to queries. To respond to queries, go to the Audit Console page and click on Open Queries. Here, you'll see a list of funds with open queries. Select the fund you want to work on, enter comments, or attach required documents, and hit send to respond to the query. You can also go to the dashboard and click on any of the listed queries to respond and attach documents to it. Head back to class. That's it. You're now equipped to efficiently manage your funds, collaborate with auditors, and streamline your auditing process using Cloudoffis. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.